Is the summer sun leaving your lips dry, flaky, and painful? You're not alone. Dry lips are one of the most common skincare issues during hot weather, and most store-bought lip balms make it worse with chemicals and artificial flavors. But don't worry. Today, we're revealing a 100% natural remedy that's not only effective, but completely safe, and you probably already have the ingredients at home. Let's understand why lips get dry in summer. Unlike the rest of our skin, lips don't have oil glands, so when you're exposed to harsh sun, dry winds, and dehydration, your lips can quickly become chapped and cracked. Add habits like licking your lips or skipping SPF lip balm, and dryness becomes even worse. Let's talk about the natural ingredients we'll be using for this lip remedy. Honey, a natural humectant that draws moisture into the skin. Coconut oil, rich in fatty acids, it deeply moisturizes and heals cracked lips. Beetroot juice, optional, adds a natural tint while soothing the skin with antioxidants. Here's how to make your own natural lip balm at home. Take 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cold-pressed coconut oil. Optional, add a few drops of fresh beetroot juice for color and nutrients. Mix these ingredients thoroughly in a small bowl. You'll get a creamy, glossy balm with a subtle tint. You can store it in a clean lip balm container or a small glass jar for up to 1 week in the fridge. To use, gently apply the balm with a clean fingertip onto your lips twice a day, morning and night. Make sure your lips are clean before applying. You'll start noticing a difference in texture and softness within 2 to 3 days. To protect your lips further during summer, follow these simple habits. Stay hydrated, drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Use a lip balm with SPF when going out. Avoid licking your lips as saliva makes dryness worse. Exfoliate lips once a week with a gentle sugar scrub to remove dead skin. Healthy, hydrated lips don't need chemicals, they need care. This 100% natural remedy is not just effective, but also safe for all ages and skin types. Try it today and feel the difference for yourself. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural beauty hacks, and share with someone who struggles with dry lips.